Yes. Very good morning, children.
Good
Are
morning,
you ready
ma'am.
for the course, isn't it? Morning. Huh? I got only very less number of students there, but still, okay. You can see the video. Watch the video. We were discussing about the exterior
Exterior
angle
and
of a
interior.
triangle. How can you find out an exterior angle of a triangle? Okay.
By extending.
Anna. Anna was there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it raining there? Anna?
No, ma'am.
No? Why you are sitting in dark then? Switch on the light.
This place is dark. Have switched
Place
on
is
every
dark.
light. Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
okay. You were there during first period, no? You were there,
Yes,
no?
ma'am. I was there.
Yes, yes. What do you mean by exterior angle of a triangle? How can you draw or make an exterior angle?
Exterior angle is an angle which is out of triangle.
Outside the triangle, okay.
Yes.
How will you make it? How will you draw an exterior angle? Is it just pulling out one side, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Just pulling out
Extending
one
one
side.
side of the
Extending one
triangle,
side.
isn't it? If you extend one side of the triangle, you can make an exterior angle of the triangle. All the three sides you can extend like that, and then you can make the exterior angle. You can find out the exterior angle of the triangle. And you know what are opposite interior angles, isn't it? Just look at the opposite side of the angle and select the other two angles. You will get the opposite interior angle. And we have explained a rule in the last period. You yourself have explained. What was it? Herin, can you repeat that theorem or rule which we have explained during the first period? Herin, do you remember? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Nivedita. Herin, can you
Ma'am, I
repeat?
remember.
Okay, Herin, you were there, no? First period, you were there?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Nivedita, you were there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then what rule did we understand from that? I told you to cut and paste and all, no?
Ma'am, can
What
I
did you
say?
understand?
Ma'am, the sum of two opposite interior angles equals to the exterior angle.
Very good. The sum of the interior opposite angles are equal to the exterior angle, isn't it? Or exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, right? Okay, so let us see that rule once more. And look at this, children, some definitions. Till now what we have studied, I have put in in the form of some writings. You can read it. Okay, Nivedita, read the first one. What is the heading? Topic? Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior
Ma'am,
angle of a triangle.
do we have to
Okay,
note this?
read it, Nivedita.
Okay, ma'am. An exterior angle of a triangle is formed when a side of a triangle is produced.
When a side of a triangle is produced, we get an exterior angle. Okay, next one. Adidev, read the next topic, next sentence. Yeah, read it loudly.
Ways of forming an exterior angle.
Once more.
At each vertex, we have ways of forming an exterior.
Two ways of forming an exterior angle that I have showed you, isn't it? How two sides you can extend, and I'll show you again. Okay, like this, at each vertex, we have two ways of forming an exterior angle. Suppose you are drawing a triangle like this, children. This is one way for this vertex. Suppose this is the vertex which we are going to do with this vertex. You can see this is the vertex. This is the vertex. You can draw an exterior angle like this. Okay. And you can draw another exterior angle by extending the other side. Isn't it? There are two ways. That's why it is told there are two ways. By extending this also. Okay. By extending this side, one exterior angle. And by extending this side also, you can make an exterior angle. See, this is exterior angle 1 and exterior angle 2. This is not an exterior angle. Yeah, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are two ways of forming an exterior angle. Okay, then next one, Aaron Jomi, read it. Read it loudly.
At each vertex, we have two is not the third one, right?
Third one, third one.
The measure of any exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its two interior opposite angles.
Yeah. So that is what we were discussing. No, in the last period we were discussing. What is that? The measure of any exterior angle. The measure of any exterior angle of a triangle is equal to what? The sum of the sum
Ma'am.
of the measures of its two interior opposite angles.
And do we have to note this?
I will send it. The measure of any exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its two interior opposite angles, isn't it? So this is what we found out during last period. Now see children, we can see once more. What does the theorem say in this figure? You can see yeah, in this figure is there of exterior angle theorem. Okay, just read it. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Here in the figure, you can see, look at the figure. All of you look at the figure. You can see there are two angles shown, isn't it? One is here and the other one is here. One is A, the other is B. Angle name you can give 1 and 2 also, no problem. Look at the figure children. Two opposite interior angles, isn't it? And where is the exterior angle? This is the exterior angle formed by extending this side, isn't it? By extending this side. This is the side which is extended. By extending this side, we got an exterior angle. So where is its opposite interior angle? Just look at the side opposite to it and take these two angles. Now, I told you to do an experiment, isn't it? Cut off these two angles. I told you to do an experiment. Do it for tomorrow. Okay. Next day. That is on Tuesday is my class. So I think by that time you can do it. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Cut off two angles from here and just paste it over this. One is colored rose and the other one is green. So what you will get, children, you can see that both the angles, when you cut it and take it off, will be filling inside correctly. Will be filling inside fully. That is, it will be fitting together inside. One will be the green color. It is PPT. I cannot shade it properly. Okay, children. This is green color, and the other one also will be in violet color. I think this color. So you can fill it. Both will be filling inside. So together, it will be filling inside. So I can shade it. See, it will look like this. Both the angles, if you cut off and paste it, it will look like this. Both together will make the exterior angle. Both together will make the exterior angle. See, it will be looking like this. Together, it will be filling fully. This is one angle, and the other color is what? The other color. We can fill it. I think this color. This light shade. So you have to color it, or you can color with crayons and cut, or you can paste the color paper. Better than that, you just color it and cut it off. Okay. See, it will be filling inside properly and will look like this. Both angles together will fit inside. What does it mean, children? What does it mean? What did you understand from that activity which I have told you to do? Both angles, if you
Both.
cut and paste it here, it will fit inside
Of
properly
the
in
opposite.
the exterior angle. Okay, so what do you understand, Sian? Can you tell me what do you understand from that activity?
Ma'am, the sum of two opposite interior angles make the exterior angle.
Make the exterior angle, isn't it? So A plus B, isn't it? A plus B is equal to A plus B is equal to D, isn't it? Here, angle, exterior angle is marked as D. So A plus B will be equal to D, the exterior angle. So if A is 30 degree and B is 40 degree, what will be this angle?
70 degree.
70 degree. 30 plus 40, it will be, this angle will be 70 degree exterior angle. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Exterior angle. So anywhere, I told you, you can draw not only here, any by extending any three sides, you can draw the exterior angle. Okay, this is another one. It is not okay. Just see this, watch this figure. You can watch this figure. See, again, exterior angle is formed. A plus B. A plus B is equal to what? Angle A plus angle B is equal to, here it is given 66 degree, one angle, and other angle is 73 degree. Okay, this angle 66 and degree, and this angle is 73 degree. Okay, so you can see this. What is the total? Total what you get is 139 degree. So that, so if you add both interior opposite angles, you will get the exterior angle. That is the rule. That is the theorem. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, anywhere you can draw the exterior angle. Okay. I'll show you another one. Look at this. Look, you can draw the exterior angle. See, I'm drawing a triangle, children. Now I can extend any other side, and then I can form, till now you were watching that side, no? So I can extend it this side. So if this angle is equal to, we can name it as A, B, C, D. Okay, C or D, we can name it as D. Okay, D. Let it be D, angle D. And this one, I will mark as this angle, which will be the opposite angle, children. Can you, 1 minute, I'll call one person. This 3 vertices I have marked. Vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C I have marked. So one of you I'll call should tell me which are the opposite interior angles. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Michelle, can you tell me which angles are opposite interior angles to angle D? Which are the opposite interior angles to angle D?
Angle A and angle
Angle A and angle B, isn't it? Just opposite. So these 2 angles are opposite interior angles to angle D, isn't it? Suppose I am giving here this angle is around 150 degree. Okay, this angle is 150 degree total. Total it is 150 degree. What can you say about if this angle is around a 70 degree? This is around a 70 degree. What will you say about the other angle? Let me color it. 1 minute. I'll fill it color. This angle is green in color, and this angle is blue in color. Okay. And the other one, we can fill it with any other color. This, okay, this side. Okay. So these are an exterior angle is there. Interior opposite angles are there. I have given 150 degree here. Michelle, can you tell me what will be angle A? Think. Now we studied, no?
Ma'am 60. Ma'am 60.
Yes.
Ma'am 60.
No, I'm asking.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Michelle. Okay. Wait. Let her think. Michelle, listen here. I told you what is this 150? 150 is the total of interior opposite angles, isn't it?
Two angles.
So
Opposite.
what is the answer? What will be angle A? That is my question. You think you are old and tell me the answer. This angle is 150 and we told that exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. And we know where are the opposite interior angles, no? So what will be the angle A? Is my question.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute. Let her think and let her answer. Michelle, can I pass the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Vivian, can you help her?
Ma'am, 80 degree.
Okay. See, this 70 plus something, let it be X or Y or any other unknown value. 70 plus that. Okay, we can take it as angle A itself, children. So you will not be confused. 70 plus angle A. See, 70 plus angle A is equal to what? D. That is 150 degree. So what is angle A? 150 minus 70, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is that? It is
80.
80 degree. So here we will be getting 80 degree as the answer. Okay. Anna, do you agree
Yes,
with
ma'am.
that answer? You are about to say the answer, no?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Yes, it is 80 degree because the sum of two interior opposite angles make the exterior angle, isn't it? Okay. Now, in the next figure, you can see, next figure, I'm going to rub all this. Okay. All this I'm rubbing. Yeah, I'll rub again. Okay, next figure. I'm going to extend some other side. I'm going to extend the other side, children. See, I have drawn a triangle. Look. Now I'll be extending this side. This side. I am going to extend this side. I will be extending this side, and so that I got an exterior angle here. Extending this side, I got an exterior angle here. Isn't it? Exterior angle, we will take it as X degree. Okay, we can mark it 140 degree. 140 degree. And this angle is, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, three angles are there. Angle, these two angles are like this. So here it is given, this angle we know it is 90 degree, no? It's a right angle or not? Right triangle or not? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a right triangle. You know it is 90 degree. So in the question, it will not be given. Okay. You have to identify that it is 90 degree. Clear? So the question will be like this. So this is the side which we have extended. And if a question is coming like this, what will you do? Okay. See the figure. From the figure, you have to identify that it is a right angle, the triangle. Clear? Okay. And you are asked, this angle is 140 degree and this angle is x. We don't know. Find out the value of x. What will you do? Sian, can you try?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it 50 degree?
50 degree, correct. Because you know this is given a right triangle, isn't it? So this angle is already 90 degree. It will not be given in the question sometimes. That means you should understand that's the learning outcome which is expected, because you know what is a right triangle, and a right triangle, one angle is 90 degree and the shape itself shows that it is 90 degree. So you have to understand it is at 90 degree. So 90 degree angle is given already. And what is x now? These are the opposite interior angles, isn't it? So look at this. I'll fill it with color, otherwise it will not be good to see. This will fill it with green color, and this we can fill it with some other color, children. Okay, yeah. These two angles. Okay, so we will fill it with this. Look, the exterior angle is 140 degree. So what will be the angle x? You know that the angle, you know that the angle 140 degree, that is the exterior angle, is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So that is x plus 90 degree. Isn't it? X plus 90 degree. Then we can say that 140 degree is equal to x plus 90 degree. So 140 degree minus 90, isn't it? What is x? So x we can write it as x is equal to the total minus what is given. Okay, so x is equal to 140 minus 90. We will get x is equal to 50 degree. So x is equal to 50 degree. We can write it. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Exterior angle, sum of exterior angle is, sorry, sum of the exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Okay, now we can see one more problem. Then I think 11-2 now. So, yeah. Now another triangle, children. So I hope, one minute. So did you all understand, children, what is an exterior angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
how
ma'am.
is the sum formed and all? Okay, one of you can say, Stina, Shijo, switch on the videos, children. I cannot see anybody's face. Only few children are smiling here. What about others? Yes? Switch on the videos, all of you. Otherwise, I'll say that you were all sleeping. Sina, can you answer me the exterior angle theorem? Exterior angle. Can you repeat? What do you mean? What do you understand from this rule? What is an exterior angle equal to? Yes. Tina, tell me. Switch on the video, speaker. See, you are muted. You are muted. No, I'm not getting an answer, Tina. Okay, Sanaika, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
What did we study?
Sum of both angles are the exterior angle.
Once again.
And sum of the angles, both angles are the answer of the exterior angle, the measure
Okay,
of the
sum
exterior
of
angle.
the interior, that angles are called opposite interior angles. It is opposite to the exterior angle, no? So that is why in the interior, isn't it? It is opposite to the exterior angle and it is in the interior of the triangle. So we call it interior, opposite interior angles. The sum of those two opposite interior angles are equal to the exterior angle, isn't it? Okay. Anybody else? One more. Emil Lijo, can you repeat what is an exterior angle and the property? Exterior angle property of a triangle. Emil? I cannot hear Emil. Loudly, speak loudly, or there is some problem with your speaker. You are answering.
Now you can hear me, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you.
An exterior angle of a triangle is formed when a side of a triangle is produced.
Okay.
Sum of two opposite interior angles makes an exterior angle.
Okay. Sum of two opposite interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. Okay, children, in the next period, we can do more problems on it. Okay, I'll give you homework also. Okay, children. So, I think I have taken the attendance today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the
Yes,
morning
ma'am.
I have taken, isn't it? So, we can go for further some more problems. Okay, so listen. Then I'll give you one problem. I'll draw a triangle and you have to tell me what is the exterior angle. Okay, problems can come like this also. This also, it is possible. See, one triangle is there. You can just extend this side. This side. Now we will extend the other side. Should be extended properly with a scale. Takes time. Okay. So I'm extending this side and I got an exterior angle here, children, and we will put it as X. Okay. And all the three angles will be given for confusing you. Okay. This is 50. This is 50. And this is 80. Okay. So, what is X? What is the value of X? Ehan, can you try? Ehan Rafi? Ehan, can you try the problem?
Yes.
What will be angle X?
80 degree.
Hmm?
80 degree.
You have to select, first you have to select what are the exterior, what is the interior opposite angle? What are the interior opposite angle to X? Okay, which are the interior opposite interior angles to X?
50 degree.
Then?
And then 80 degree.
80 degrees, isn't it? 50 degree and 80 degree. That is the opposite. Which 50 degree? Which 50 degree? This is angle A, angle B, and angle C. Which degree?
A.
That is X. X is there. That is the exterior angle there. And you should tell me X is it is the exterior angle over there. And you can tell me which are the two opposite interior angles to X. Opposite means what?
Ma'am, B and C.
So which are the angles?
B and C.
Yahan?
B and C.
B and
C.
C. Okay. These two angles, they lie opposite to this, no? So these two, first select the side which is opposite to it, then its angle. Okay. So we can take 50 and 80. And what will be X? X is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, isn't it? X is an exterior angle. So the sum of the opposite interior angles, so angle B plus angle C. So X is equal to 50 degree plus 80 degree. What is the answer, Ehan? What is the answer? Nivedita?
130 degree.
130 degree. 130 degree. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So this different types of problems can come. Only one thing is constant, that is the property. Okay. What is the property? exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Clear? Okay. Yes, using that, a lot of problems will be asked. Very important rule it is. Okay, so I'll ask one more time, somebody to repeat it. Annalyn Prensil, can you repeat it? Stuck already? Annalyn, can you repeat the rule once more, which we have studied today? No? I think he is stuck, cannot speak. Okay, Abhinav Sajan, can you tell me? What is the rule we studied today? Now,
Sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle.
yes, or we can say in reverse order also. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Clear, children? Okay? Yes. So I'll be giving you homework. So bye, all of you. See you in the next class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.